Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Henry Ford. Feeling stuck is a common experience, but it doesn't have to be your reality. The dreams and desires within you are not meant to stay dormant. There's a shift you can make, a simple change in how you see the world and yourself that can unlock the life you've been yearning for. This shift isn't about positive thinking or wishful thinking. It's about harnessing the power of belief. It's about understanding that our beliefs shape our reality, and that we have the power to change those beliefs. When you change your beliefs, you change your life. Our minds are incredible things, capable of shaping the world around us in ways we often don't realize. Every thought, every feeling, every conviction we hold creates an energy that interacts with the universe. This isn't just philosophical musing. It's backed by science. Take, for instance, the placebo effect. In medical trials, patients who believe they're receiving a powerful medication often experience improvement, even when they've only been given a sugar pill. Their belief in the treatment's effectiveness triggers a physiological response that can alleviate symptoms and even promote healing. This demonstrates the tangible impact our minds have on our bodies. But it goes beyond health. Consider athletes who visualize their success before a competition. They see themselves crossing the finish line first, feeling the exhilaration of victory. This mental rehearsal not only enhances their performance, but often leads to actual wins. Their belief in their ability, combined with the vivid mental imagery, sets the stage for success. In the business world, entrepreneurs who truly believe in their vision are more likely to attract investors, build successful teams, and overcome obstacles. Their unwavering belief fuels their passion and determination, inspiring others to join their cause. It's not just about having a good idea, it's about believing in it wholeheartedly. Think about the times in your own life when you've held a strong belief. Maybe you were convinced you could ace an exam, and you did. Or perhaps you believed you'd find the perfect job, and it came your way. Those weren't just coincidences. They were the result of your belief shaping your actions and attracting the desired outcome. Now imagine what's possible if you consciously cultivate beliefs that empower you and align with your goals. What if you could believe in your ability to create the life you desire, to attract abundance, to achieve your wildest dreams? This isn't about blind faith. It's about understanding that your beliefs are not fixed. They're flexible. You have the power to choose the beliefs that serve you, the beliefs that will propel you towards the life you want. When you change your beliefs, you change your vibration. You change the energy you emit into the world, and the world responds in kind. It starts to reflect back to you the reality you believe in. This isn't about denying challenges or difficulties. It's about facing them with a belief in your own resilience and ability to overcome. The science of belief is a fascinating and ever-evolving field, but the core message is clear. Your beliefs matter. They're not just thoughts. They're powerful forces that shape your experiences, your relationships, and your life's trajectory. By understanding the science behind belief and learning to harness its power, you can unlock a world of limitless possibilities. You can create a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment, a life that truly reflects your highest potential. So start paying attention to your beliefs. Examine them, question them, and most importantly, choose the ones that empower you, the ones that align with the life you want to live. Recall that the power to change your reality lies within your own mind. So, what is this missing ingredient? This one belief that can change everything? It's the understanding that our imagination and feelings are not just fleeting experiences. They are the architects of our reality. When we vividly imagine something we want, and we allow ourselves to truly feel the emotions associated with having it, we are sending a powerful signal to the universe. We are declaring, "This is what I want, and I believe it's possible." This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your inner world with your outer desires. It's about recognizing that your thoughts and feelings are not separate from the world around you, but rather they are actively shaping it. When you change your internal landscape, the external landscape begins to shift as well. The beauty of this is that changing your beliefs isn't as difficult as you might think. It doesn't require years of therapy or complex rituals. It starts with simple awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and the stories you tell yourself. Are they empowering and supportive, or are they holding you back? Once you identify a limiting belief, you can challenge it. Ask yourself, is this really true? Is there another way to look at this situation? Often, our limiting beliefs are based on past experiences or societal conditioning. By questioning them, you create space for new, more empowering beliefs to emerge. Another powerful technique is to practice affirmations. These are positive statements that reinforce the beliefs you want to cultivate. Repeat them to yourself regularly, with conviction, and watch how they begin to reshape your thoughts and feelings. Visualization is another key tool. Spend time each day imagining your desired reality as if it's already happening. See it, feel it, and believe in it. This creates a powerful energetic blueprint that attracts your desires into your life. Recall that changing your beliefs is a process, not an overnight transformation. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and keep moving forward. As you consistently focus on the beliefs that empower you, you'll notice a shift in your energy, your outlook, and ultimately, your results. The life you desire is waiting for you, just on the other side of your beliefs. Your feelings are not just fleeting emotions. They are powerful magnets that attract your desires. When you can tap into the feeling of having what you want, as if it's already yours, you create a vibrational match with your desires. The universe doesn't respond to what you want intellectually. It responds to the energy you emit. So, close your eyes and allow yourself to feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement of having already achieved your goals. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you relax on that dream vacation. Feel the pride and accomplishment of receiving that promotion or award. Feel the love and connection of being in a fulfilling relationship. This isn't about pretending or denying your current reality. It's about intentionally shifting your emotional state to align with your desires. When you can feel it as if it's already happening, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe, and you are opening yourself up to receive it. Now, let's take this a step further and bring your vision to life through the power of mental creation. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax and your mind to quiet down. Begin to picture your desired outcome in vivid detail. See it as if it's happening right now. Engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you taste? What do you feel? Allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in this experience. Feel the emotions associated with it. The joy, the excitement, the gratitude. Let those feelings wash over you and fill your entire being. Continue to hold this vision in your mind for as long as you can, allowing yourself to truly feel the reality of it. Know that you are worthy of this, that it is yours for the taking. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the feeling of having already achieved your desire with you. This simple yet powerful exercise not only reinforces your belief, but also activates the creative power of your mind. By consistently practicing this visualization, you are essentially programming your subconscious to attract and manifest your dreams into reality. On your journey to manifesting your desires, you might encounter some roadblocks. Doubt might creep in, whispering that your dreams are too big or that you're not worthy. Impatience might tempt you to give up, questioning why your desires haven't materialized yet. These are natural feelings, but they are forms of resistance that can hinder your progress. To overcome doubt, remind yourself of your past successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every achievement is a testament to your capabilities. Focus on the evidence that supports your belief in yourself and your goals. When impatience arises, recall that manifestation is not a race. It's a journey. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning the circumstances and opportunities needed for your desires to come to fruition. Surrender to the process, knowing that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. Release the need to control every detail and allow yourself to be guided by your intuition and the wisdom of the universe. Recall that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you are opening yourself up to receive even more. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, from what's missing to what's already present. Start by making a list of all the things you're grateful for, big and small. It could be your health, your loved ones, your home, your job, or even the simple pleasures like a beautiful sunset or a delicious meal. Take time each day to reflect on these blessings and express your gratitude. You can write them down in a journal, say them out loud, or simply hold them in your heart. As you cultivate a grateful mindset, you'll notice a shift in your energy. You'll become more positive, more optimistic, and more open to receiving the abundance that the universe has to offer. Gratitude is not just about feeling good. It's a powerful tool that can help you manifest your dreams and create a life filled with joy and fulfillment. The power to transform your life is within you. It's in the beliefs you choose to hold, the feelings you cultivate, and the vision you create for your future. You have the ability to shape your reality, to attract abundance, and to live a life that truly fulfills you. So, take the first step today. Start paying attention to your thoughts and feelings. Choose beliefs that empower you. Practice gratitude. Visualize your dreams. Let go of resistance and trust the process. The life you've always wanted is waiting for you, just on the other side of your belief.
If this video has resonated with you, please show your support by giving it a like.
And if you're ready to explore more about the power of belief and manifestation, consider subscribing to the channel for more inspiring content.